Hello, good morning to my dear parents and dear children. Hello, dear ones. Good morning. Happy Republic Day. Hi, Sailaja. How are you? Hello, Niharika. I'm fine. Hi, dear children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. I'm eagerly waiting to watch our program regarding Republic Day. Right? Yes, I'm waiting eagerly. Shall we go to our program, children? Yes. Do you want to watch? Are you all ready to enjoy? Yes, children. All of you show your thumbs and smile. 29 states, 1618 languages, 6400 religions, 6 major castes, 6 ethnic groups, 1 country. This shows that despite having diverse culture, traditions, languages, religions, we stand together as one. This shows our unity in diversity, and we are proud that we are Indians. With these words, we take forward Republic Day celebrations. Let us move forward with this field of patriotism and invite our correspondent, Reverend Father Bharat, our pleasing principal, Mrs. P. Radhika, and academic director, Mr. Dilip Kumar. After uncountable sacrifices of our freedom fighters, we go with independence on 15th August 1947. We owe a great thanks to all our freedom fighters. I salute all those freedom fighters. Happy Republic Day. Dear gathering, Indian Constitution is one of the biggest constitution in the world. After the amendment of the Constitution, our country became a Republic Day, Republic of India, and the day was 26 January 1950. Here comes our 9th grade student with importance of the day.
This is Neha.
And this is Mahita.
Today we're going to be explaining to you about the importance of Republic Day. Republic Day is an important landmark in Indian history. On January 26 each year, Indians celebrate this day because of the Constitution of India coming into force from 1950.
Neha, do you know, on this day, our Indian constitution became a reality and thus the date 26 January got eternity in India.
Needless to say, every year Republic Day is celebrated with great pomp and enthusiasm. Important governmental laws and acts were laid down on this day. Thus, it is a pride for every Indian, old and young alike.
From school children like us to the senior citizens, everyone unfurls the national tricolor on this day. The grand parade is organized at Rajpath, New Delhi. This parade represents our Indian cultural heritage and also the competency of Indian military. One of the main highlights of this parade is giving away the awards like Paramveer Chakra, Veer Chakra and Ashoka Chakra to the winners.
That sounds great. And you're also right. Republic Day is an extremely important day for our country because on this day India emerged as the largest democratic nation along with the longest written constitution. India was officially empowered to live independently. As it is rightly said, when the beginning is good, the journey progresses smoothly and without any kind of turbulence. Let us take this opportunity to salute to the great heroes of our country. Heartfelt tribute should be paid to the great leaders. Salute to all our freedom fighters. Let us pledge to uphold the features of our Constitution: justice, liberty. Be proud to be an Indian.
You are correct, Neha. Let us all recall the sacrifices and rejoice of their victory. The freedom of our motherland and also their functioning came after a lot of bloodshed and hardships.
That sounds very awful. We should be proud. Let us conclude our speech with a few words. Every Indian citizen should realize the importance of Republic Day. We as citizens of a free country should feel proud to be an Indian and pay respect to all those who helped our country get stronger and better.
Special remembrance should be paid towards the social freedom fighters and also the soldiers who made and are making unbeatable sacrifices for all of us to breathe free.
So let us pledge and uphold our country's honor at all times and respect its past, work on its present, and hope for a glorious future. We wish you a happy Republic Day.
Thank you, dear, for acknowledging the importance of the day. Being living in the democratic republic, we have freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, and patriotism in our souls. So let's salute our nation on its 72nd Republic Day. To begin with the Republic Day function, I would like to call upon our honorable correspondent, Reverend Father Bharat, Principal Mrs. P. Radhika Ma'am, and our Academic Director, Mr. A. Dilip Kumar, to hoist the national flag, symbol of our national pride and identity.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram. Shubhrajyosna pulakitayaminim Pullakusumita drumadala shobhinim Suhasinim Sumadhura bhashinim Sukhadam varadam mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Order!
Color flutters majestically. The three colors of our national flag, saffron, white, and green, symbolizes sacrifice of the millions of people who died fighting for the peace and prosperity. At the previous in our nation, it reminds our responsibility that we have towards our nation. Now it's time for March past, which will be carried over by our students of 5th to 8th classes. March past is all about synchronization and teamwork. Marching in a contingent demands alertness and unspoken coordination. We are extremely glad to introduce the students of 5th to 8th classes who are present here during this new normalcy.
School, attention! By the center, take march!
Wow, it's really good. Our talented students have arranged a beautiful performance. Children, do you want to see what it is? Yes, I'm ready. Are you, dear children? As I'm eagerly waiting to that. Now it's time to call them. Give them a big hand to be present on the stage and show you their talent. Patriotic dance by primary kids.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। ओ रांझना वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था।
की बड़ी खबर बता दें कि जम्मू कश्मीर के पुलवामा में हुआ है बड़ा आतंकवादी हमला, जिसमें कई जवानों के शहीद होने की आशंका है। हमले में 18 सीआरपीएफ के जवान घायल हुए हैं।
काल बेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। पम 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 मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
हर करम अपना कर
आजा आजा जिंदू शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामला मातरम। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
ये दुनिया
एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। रंग दे रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे। तुझे सलाम।
Wow, really, that was indeed a delighted performance by our little chap. Wasn't it, Niharika? Yes. Children, are we ready to see one more dance program? I'm eagerly waiting, Niharika. Dance is an art and an expression. What cannot be said, but can be expressed. So, now here is the dance performance by the juniors, who will express their love for the nation through the medium of dance. Let us welcome them.
आज हम 2 किलोमीटर ज्यादा भागेंगे।
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया।
సరిహద్దును నువ్వు లేకుంటే కను బాబా కంటి నిండుగా నిద్రపోదురా నిద్రపోదురా। నిలువెత్తును నిప్పు కంచెవై నువ్వుంటేనే జాతి బావుగా ఎగురుతుందిరా, పైకెగురుతుందిరా। ఇల్లే ఇండియా, దిల్లే ఇండియా, నీ తల్లే ఇండియా, తన భరోసా నువ్వే దేశం కొనక। చదవేలేని సేవక ఓ సైనిక, పనిలో పరుగే తీరిక ఓ సైనిక, ప్రాణం మంత్రం తేలిక ఓ సైనిక, పోరాటం నీకో వేడుక ఓ సైనిక।
హలో నాన్న.
తల్లి ఎలా ఉన్నావురా?
నేను బానే ఉన్నా నాన్న. మీకు ఒక గుడ్ న్యూస్ చెప్పాలి. నాన్న నేను ఆర్మీకి సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యా.
కంగ్రాట్స్ తల్లి. నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉందిరా.
ఆర్మీ నా డ్రీమ్ నాన్న. ఎప్పటికైనా మీ అంత గొప్పదని కావాలని నా కోరిక నాన్న.
నాన్న ఆర్మీలో నాకన్నా గొప్ప పేరు తెచ్చుకోవాలి తల్లి. తల్లి బాయ్ రా.
నాన్న లవ్ యూ నాన్న.
ఐ టు లవ్ యూ తల్లి.
నాన్న
దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే, దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే, ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే. నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే, ప్రజల అండదండా మనదే. అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో, ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది
హలో మేజర్, నిన్న జరిగిన యుద్ధంలో మీ కూతురు చనిపోయింది మేజర్. సారీ మేజర్.
తల్లి నా చిట్టి తల్లి, నా ప్రాణాలే పోయాయమ్మా. నువ్వే లేని లోకాల నేను శవమల్లే మిగిలానమ్మా. నా ఇంట నువ్వుంటే మాయమ్మె ఉందంటూ ప్రతిరోజు మురిసేనమ్మా. ఏ జన్మలో పాపమే నేను చేశాను, ఈ శిక్షే వేశావమ్మా. తల్లి తల్లి నా చిట్టి తల్లి, నా ప్రాణాలే పోయాయమ్మా. నీవే లేని లోకాల నేను శవమల్లే మిగిలానమ్మా.
నేనని బాధపడకు. దేశాన్ని గుండెల్లో పెట్టుకొని పూజించే ప్రతి వారి గుండెల్లో నేను ఉంటా. లవ్ యూ నాన్న. మిస్ యూ. జై హింద్.
Moving on to the next program is the beautiful and melodious song by our beautiful class. Children, do you want to watch that? Yes. Are you ready, children? Yes. So I invite our students to feel the charisma in the order by their melodious voices.
దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే, దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే, ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే. నీతి మన
కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా. ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమౌతం అంతా ఈవేళ. వందే మాతరం అందామందరం వందే మాతరం ఓ అందామందరం. దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే. అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో. ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా. రాజులు అయినా పేదలు అయినా భరతమాత సుకులే లేరా. ఎన్ని దేశాలున్నా మాకెన్ని దోషాలున్నా దేశమంటే ప్రాణమిస్తాం అంతా ఈవేళ. వందే మాతరం అందామందరం వందే మాతరం ఓ అందామందరం. భారతమాతకు జేజేలు బంగారు భూమికి జేజేలు. ఆసేతు హిమాచల సస్య శ్యామల జీవదాత్రికి జేజేలు. భారతమాతకు జేజేలు బంగారు భూమికి జేజేలు. ఆసేతు హిమాచల సస్య శ్యామల జీవదాత్రికి జేజేలు. త్రివేణి సంగమ పవిత్ర భూమి నాలుగు వేదములు పుట్టిన భూమి. త్రివేణి సంగమ పవిత్ర భూమి నాలుగు వేదములు పుట్టిన భూమి. గీతామృతములు పంచిన భూమి పంచశీల బోధించిన భూమి. గీతామృతములు పంచిన భూమి పంచశీల బోధించిన భూమి. భారతమాతకు జేజేలు బంగారు భూమికి జేజేలు. ఆసేతు హిమాచల సస్య శ్యామల జీవదాత్రికి జేజేలు.
Wow, that was a beautiful song. Moving on to our next performance. This is a short skit by the students of class 7 and 8 students who are going to portray our freedom fighters.
It's a disgusting country, smelly people.
What are you talking about my country? What do you know about our country? I will tell you. Listen. This is the country where Buddha was born. This is the country where mathematics was born. This is the country where astronomy was born. This is the country where science was born. And do you know, when we were living in the caves made of rocks, we were living in the house of two steps. And you know, when we were searching for the food in the middle of the jungle, we were cultivating the crops. You want to leave this country?
We are extremely sorry, sir. We don't want to leave our country. We don't want to go for a abroad. Suffering from fever, why don't you bring some medicines?
No, Mummy, I can't. I'm too busy.
No, you don't. Your father is not feeling well.
No.
Satya, your father is not feeling well and he's suffering from fever. Why don't you bring some medicines?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mummy. I'm having party tonight. I can't.
No, you don't do that. Bring some medicines.
No, I'm so sorry. Sorry, Mummy. I will get medicine.
Mommy, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Dear friends of India, being in the border, the soldiers safeguard the country. So it is the common duty of every citizen of India to safeguard the unity, integrity and sovereignty of our nation.
Thank you, my dear children. Thank you for the performance. It was really amazing. Watch you people. On behalf of Republic Day, our STEM school conducted various competitions. Do you know, children? During this pandemic situation also, we paid a lot of tribute to our nation towards Republic Day. Do you know Trijani Harika? Really? Yes. Now, let us have a look into the competition in which our little chums participated.
మనదే తేజం మనదే దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరత మాతకొకటే లేరా జగతి సిగలో జాబిలమ్మకు వందనం వందనం మమతలెరిగిన మాతృభూమికి మంగళం మాతరం భరతమాత సత్యచరిత భరత భూమి కల్పవల్లి భరతదాత్రి అందుకొనుమిదే పుష్పాంజలి ఓ మాతృశ్రీ
It's really amazing performance. Yes, right. Award winning is always great. Here are some of our students who have shown their excellent performance in various competitions.
First prize, Shidvilasini in Art and Craft competition from 8th A. Rishita, silver medal from 5th A. Hartik Jain got third prize in Art and Craft from 7th A. Akshaya Reddy for singing competition. First prize in singing competition. And second prize goes to Chaitra Chaudhary from 5th. Second prize goes to Chaitra Chaudhary from 5th B. And third prize goes to Asha from 5th A. Next, painting competition winners. Sai Sahasra from 4th A.
our society without servicemen and police. We thank from bottom of our hearts for these sacrifices you people make when we are safe in our houses, that may be in normal times or in the time of pandemic. We take pride to honoring our parents who are rendering their services to our country as servicemen and policemen. Thank you, parents. Without listening to our Reverend Father Bharat, program would be incomplete. So, shall we invite our correspondent, Reverend Father Bharat, to give the address of gathering?
Good morning, everyone. My dear children, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. This time we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day of India. That is why we are all gathered here. Today, I am going to speak few words about Republic Day, which is a very special day for all Indian citizens, and wish you all of you a very happy Republic Day. India celebrates the Republic Day every year on 26th of January from 1950 because on this day India was declared as the Republic country as well as Constitution of India came into force after independence of long years of struggle. India got independence on 15th August 1947 and 2.5 years later it became a democratic and republic. Republic Day in India has got a great importance in the history as it tells us all about each and every struggle of Indian freedom fighters. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only public has right to elect their representatives as political leaders to lead the country in the right direction. So, India is a republic country after 26th of January 1950, where public elects its leaders as a president, prime minister, MP, MLA, chief minister, and so on. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot to the Purna Swarajyam in India. We can never forget their sacrifices towards our country. They did so that their future generations may live without struggle and lead country ahead. We should remember them on such great occasions and salute them. It has become possible just because of them that we can think from our own mind and live freely in our nation without any force. There is also a big exhibition of the Indian culture and tradition takes place by the different Indian states to show the unity in diversity in India. It is a day that makes us think beyond caste, religion, state, language, and color, and we all feel the same emotion of loving our country. Mera Bharat Mahan. Jai Hind. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Father. Your message was really heart-touching, and we will try to implement in our daily life. At last, in the end, I would like to say, let not pass this Republic Day as any other holiday. Instead, look within and think that whether we are fulfilling our fundamental duties or not. Let us all stand for national anthem. I request all of you to stand and sing national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
With this, I, Sailaja, along with Niharika, take your leave. Thank you for your listening and your patience. And once again, I wish you very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Stay safe, stay home.